Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make stir fry on griddle, updated. Preheat the griddle to medium-high, oil lightly, and sear proteins first for deep flavor. Push them to the cooler side and add veggies in batches. Keep ingredients moving to prevent burning, and finish with a tossed sauce so everything glazes evenly. Rest briefly before serving to let flavors meld and juices redistribute for best texture. Gather your proteins, vegetables, and sauce ingredients before heating the griddle so cooking is uninterrupted. Cut items to consistent sizes so everything finishes together, and pat proteins dry to encourage a great sear. Keep sauces and garnishes ready near the griddle so you can toss quickly. Work in 2 to 3 short batches for the best caramelization and texture without cooling the surface or crowding the pan. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing useful recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They make standing at the griddle comfier and add a tiny kitchen luxury. Check the description for the sponsor link and other deals. Then now let's get back to the video. Control heat zones on the griddle so you can sear, hold, and finish without losing temperature. Use high heat to develop crusts, then move items to a cooler zone to finish cooking through. Add aromatics like garlic and ginger near the end to avoid bitterness, and toss with sauce quickly so it reduces and clings. Finish with a squeeze of acid or fresh herbs to brighten the whole dish before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.